Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to show in stock product first in WooCommerce shop page. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now scroll down. You see product out of stock. More product you see. So we will add custom code using plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. Now in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down. On left side you see code snipper, then you see add snipper, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page. Now you see out of stock product on WooCommerce shop page. Now refresh the page. Now scroll down. You don't see out of stock product first. Only you see in stock product first in WooCommerce shop page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.